Alright, good evening to all. I'm so glad that you're all here attending the webinar that we have for today. So let's start our webinar for Launch Your VA Career, free webinar for driven women ready to work from home. Okay. So we just have our house rules. So we encourage you to turn on your camera and turn off your microphone. But if you're a shy type, of course, it's okay. You can turn off your camera. And then please feel free to type your questions in the chat box. I will be answering all your questions after our presentation. Alright, so what we'll learn for today is you will see why becoming a VA is one of the best career moves that you can make in 2025. And I'll also show you how to avoid common beginner mistakes and set a strong foundation for your VA career. So grab your notes and let's jump right in. So I want to introduce myself. My name is Michelle Quiseo. Education highlights: I graduated Bachelor in Banking and Finance, and then I took Master's in Public Administration, and I also hold a certificate in freelancing. It was way back 2018. I have 10 years of experience in administration, and over the years, I was able to work with amazing clients and grow my own successful VA careers. With regards to my whys, first, freedom to work on my own terms. So just to share with you a little background on how I start my VA career. It was 2017, so I started as an ESL teacher. So nagtuturo ako ng English sa mga Chinese students. However, hindi kasi siya flexible. So, you always need to be on time. And nahihirapan ako maging on time dun sa schedule ng klase. And aside from that, every time na malate ka, bawas sa pay mo. So, that is the reason why I found a way and I found other, side hustle or extra job that I can work with flexibility, and I can work on my own time. Of course, another why is I wanted to be fully present for my family. So being a mother, alam ko may mga mother dito na nag-join, and isa to sa dahilan, diba, kung bakit gusto nyong mag-work from home. Kasi nahihirapan, lalo na yung mga working mom, working sa corporate or nag-office. So, nahihirapan sila na gusto nilang mag-full-time mom, kaya lang nandun pa din yung hindrance kasi nga kailangan nilang kumita pa din. So, nahihirapan silang mamili. Magtatrabaho ba ako o mag-full-time mom ako? Pero, pwede mo naman pala gawin at the same time, diba? So, you can work from home while you're taking care of your kids. Next is to build something with purpose and impact, and yun nga, to empower my fellow women to have flexible career. So gusto ko kung ano yung na-experience ko right now, mai-share ko din sa ibang kababaihan, especially the mothers katulad ko. And the last why I created this and I founded this VA Blueprint is may mga friends ako and colleagues na na-inspire sa journey ko and ask me, tinanong nila ako, paano mo nagawa? Paano ka nag-start? Turuan mo naman ako. Turuan mo naman ako paano. And that's when I knew this mission was bigger than me. And through my journey as a virtual assistant, I've been honored to share my story on respected platforms in the virtual assistance industry. These interviews highlight key lessons and wins and some real life insights that shape my path. So these are the two features that I had. The first one is with this is Grace Luxin. So if you are familiar with Surge Academy, sikat siya ngayon sa Facebook. They are teaching virtual assistants then, of course. She interviewed me way back 2021, I think, or 20, I cannot remember. So, yan, in-interview niya ako dyan. And then, the other one is this with Athena. So, they featured my success story as a successful executive partner. Of course, masyadong mahaba yung interview kay Coach Grace. So, I can only share this one with Athena. So, you can take a look at this one. Just 1 to 2 minutes, I think. Let's have a look. Are you, naririnig niyo yung audio? No. Let's see.
Nakamute po mo.
Real-world career insights, and as an
Naghahang na. Okay. Sorry about that. Medyo naghahang siguro siya, no? Kasi nasa Facebook. But anyway, you can actually check that feature of me from Athena in our Facebook group as well as in other social media accounts that we have. So you can check that anytime. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, so there. Now, let's take a look at the new reality of work from home career. So, work from home, actually, it started during pandemic, right? Doon nag-start na naging uso siya, trending yung work from home. So, madami nag-work from home na. So, right now, it's no longer trending. It's a new standard. So, what began as a response to the pandemic has evolved to a long-term shift, with more companies now actively embracing remote works, right? So, this change created a growing demand for skilled virtual assistants across industries. And dahil dyan, now is the perfect time para sa inyo para maging virtual assistant dahil booming online yung career space ng virtual assistants. And of course, I'll be here as your mentor and as your coach to be able to succeed on what you are aiming to as a virtual assistant. Now, let's take a look. What a virtual assistant really is. Ano nga ba ang pagiging virtual assistant? Yung iba kasi, they have this point of view na kapag virtual assistant, ganito lang yan. Basta marunong kang mag-computer, pwede na yun. Sasaba ka agad sa pag-a-apply ng virtual assistants. Which is really not. Kasi being a virtual assistant goes far beyond just replying to emails or managing social media accounts or managing the calendar of the clients. It's flexible. So it's skill-based career where you can offer a wide range of services. So from admin, tech support, marketing, and beyond. So I, for myself, I am focusing on general administrative task, project management, and executive assistance. So that's my focus. Yun yung pinaka-skills ko talaga na kumbaga ginawa kong master ko. Yun yung mastery ko sa virtual assistants. And the truth is, you don't need to know everything. Lahat ng sinabi ko, pagiging admin assistant, social media manager, design, graphic designer, hindi nyo kailangan maging marunong agad or hindi nyo kailangan alam lahat yon. Kasi, pwede naman tayo mag-aral along the way. So, like me, as I continue my journey, nagko-continue akong mag-upskill, mag-aral ng ibang skills like the project management. So, ganun din sa inyo if once you establish na yung pagiging virtual assistant nyo. So, it's about freedom, flexibility, and using your strength to support clients in meaningful ways. Siguro, may tanong kayo, 'di ba? Minsan ito yung tinatanong sa akin ng mga kaibigan ko nung kilala ko. Para sa akin ba 'to? Ang ganon. Baka hindi ako fit dito. So ito yung signs. There are 5 signs na magiging amazing VA kayo. So if you love helping people and making things easy for others, if you're organized, detail-oriented ka, mahilig ka magplano, kahit yung simpleng mga plano nyo lang, di ba? Like birthdays or events ng family nyo, it's considered planning. Tapos, curious ka sa technology. It doesn't mean naman na kailangang super tech savvy ka. At least yung andun yung will mo na matuto sa tech. You should have that. And, ready ka maging own boss ng sarili mo at mag-build ng something na sarili mo. Na wala kang susunding boss, diba? Wala kang susunding manager. At least, you manage your own. You are your own boss. So, kung ngayon naiisip mo na lahat tong signs na to, meron ka, this is the path made for you. Now, tingnan naman natin yung part kung saan nag-i-struggle karamihan ng mga bagong virtual assistant. Karamihan ng, not all, but karamihan ng mga bagong virtual assistants ngayon nahihirapan sila. So, ito kasi yung common reason. Una, wala silang plano. So, basta lang sila nag-apply, basta lang sila nag-VA, wala silang plano. Then, gaps in basic skills or proper setup. And then, feeling nila overwhelmed sila. And then, they are trying to do it alone. So, walang tumutulong sa kanila, wala silang mapagtanungan. The good news is, you don't have to figure it out by yourself. So, I'm here, the community is there, we have our Facebook group, na may mga existing VAs doon, na tutulong sa inyo through everything you need to build a strong foundation and start with confidence as a virtual assistant. So, ngayon, alam na natin kung ano yung VA, alam na natin yung signs, kung magiging magaling na VA ba tayo, alam na natin yung struggles ng mga bagong VA. Ngayon, ano ba dapat yung solusyon dito sa mga struggles na to? So, here's the solution for that. So, the solution for that is building a strong foundation. For me, ako talaga, this is my motto in life. Success doesn't happen overnight. Diba? Hindi yung, ito ka ngayon, bukas, ay, magaling na ako. Bukas, ay, malaki na agad yung kita ako. Right? So, you need to work hard for it. It's built on a solid foundation. So, I think of it like a pyramid as what I have presented here. So, first, you have to have skills and tools. Second, you need to have community and mentorship. And ang pinaka-importante is yung confidence mo and personal branding. Kasi itong confidence and personal branding mo, yan yung magi-stand out sa'yo, and it will be your unique value. Sa dami ng gustong mag-apply as a virtual assistant, dapat meron kang something na magi-stand out ka sa lahat. So, if you have these three, you have solid foundation already, it is equal to sustainable success. And again, it doesn't happen overnight. Me, I started here. Kung ano tong sinasabi ko, dito ako nag-start. Nag-enroll ako dati, and then after that, inaral ko. Dati nga wala pang mga ganito na nag-offer ng webinars, right? So, I'm on my own. And then, I even started accepting $2-3 per hour just to gain experience. Hindi ako namili nun. And then, along the way, nung naging magaling na ako, na-familiarize ko na, I was able to sell myself sa mga clients na ito ang rate ko, kasi ito ang skills ko, here's my credentials, so here's my rate. So, alam ko, dadating din kayo sa punto na yon. Basta, nandun lang yung motivation nyo, nandun yung tiyaga nyo, and nandun yung will nyo. And kasi may goal kayo. Ang goal nyo, hindi lang kumita ng pera or hindi lang, kasi alam ko pagka VA, alam ko malaki yung sweldo, parang ganon. So, dapat, kumbaga, long term tayo. Long term siya. Career. Hindi lang basta job. Career. So, together, itong 3 pillars to VA success, so, it will create solid foundation and sustainable success. Example, di ba tayo, nung bata tayo, di ba? We had to learn the basics. Kailangan marunong tayo ng pagbabasa, pagsusulat, at pagbilang. So, those are our basic things need to learn, di ba? Para mag-continue tayo, lumaki tayong maayos, makapag-aral ng maayos. So, it's just the same with virtual assistants. We need to have the solid foundation para maging confident ka at mapunta ka sa right direction. So, that's exactly what I'll help you build step by step. So, nothing to worry. I'm just here. Message nyo lang ako and I'll answer any questions that you have. And speaking of helping others, there are some people that I was able to help during my journey, and they have shared their message to me, and I want to share with you these 2 people. So let's start with Kim. So just to give a context with Kim, ano kasi siya, si Kim, co-parent ko siya before, way back 6-7 years ago. So, gusto talaga niya mag-VA. Kaso shy type siya eh. Ayaw niya makipag-usap sa client. Sabi niya, sis, ayaw ko talaga. So, what I did is, dahil gusto niyang kumita na extra, and gusto ko rin talaga siyang matulungan. So, what I did is ginawa ko siyang outsource VA ko. So, parang VA assistant ko siya. Dahil I have several clients at the same time, I have 3 to 4 clients right now. So, yung isang client ko is, yung mga task ko, siyang gumagawa. And then, I'm just the one paying her. I think we're doing it how many years already. So, hindi ko na ma-count. Yon. And the next one is Ses. Let's take a look at Ses. Ito namang story ni Ses is, during the pandemic naman, kasi 3 yata yung client niya. Lahat sila, syempre dahil sa pandemic, nag-cease ng operation. So, wala siyang client. 2 din yung anak niya. So, she asked me, sis, do you know, someone hiring, ganyan. And nagkataon naman during that time, kinukuha rin ako ng another client. But, hindi ko na siya ma-accommodate kasi full clients na ako, pati yung husband ko. So, what I did was, I endorsed her to Claudette. Claudette is the name of the client. So, from that 2020 up until now, client niya pa rin si Claudette. And super happy ako for her. And right now, meron na rin siyang additional clients pa na sarili niya. So, yun. Diba? dalawa lang sila sa mga women na nag-take action, hindi na-give up. So, kung kaya nila, sure, akong kayang-kaya nyo rin. So, I'm just here to help with whatever help you needed. And to start your strong foundation, of course, I think of a way on how I can help people, 'di ba? Ang hirap kasi yung paisa-isang sagot sa tanong. So, and may nagsuggest din sa akin na friend and another VA din na, why don't you teach? And why don't you create some lessons? So, doon talaga ako nagka-idea na, yes, bakit nga ba hindi ko gawin, 'di ba? Para isahang share lang ako. So, that's the time na nag-start ako mag-build ng courses. So, ito yung i-introduce ko sa inyo ngayon. Ito yung strong foundation na magiging start na to become a VA. So, this course is entitled The Foundations of Virtual Assistance. Inside this module is, let me share with you. Yan. So, inside this module, this course, I have 10 core modules. So, 10. Andyan lahat. Makikita nyo yung mga modules on how you can do it. Right? And then, aside from that, meron akong dalawang modules, bonus modules na ginawa for you. And then, bonus 3 is the VA Starter Kit. So, later I will show you what is the VA Starter Kit looks like. So, basically, this is the course. It composes of 10 core modules plus 2 bonus modules, practical lessons that, you really need as starting virtual assistant. So, lifetime access siya. And then, aside from that, meron tayong private community, which is the virtually empowered women, where you can collaborate with other students or VAs. Aside from dito, meron pa akong dalawang courses. Virtual Assistance Expertise course. So, ito na kasi yung, if let's say, for example, you already finished the foundation, you can take this course para maging ma-master mo. Ito, merong additional skills lahat. Merong real estate, social media manager, lead generation, nandun sa course na to. And then, executive assistant mastery course. I created this kasi nga, di ba, executive assistant ako. So, I created this course for those who want to focus on executive assistance. So, there. Ito yung other 2 courses. But this foundation, this is the one that I am launching kasi alam ko ito yung mag-kickstart ng mga sa katulad yung mga gusto pa lang or bago pa lang mag-start as a virtual assistant. So, ito yung foundation na kailangan ninyo talaga. Inside this course, there. So, foundations training, private community support, and of course, you will get certificate of completion na magagamit nyo as a credential if you apply on a job vacancy as a virtual assistant. So, another thing is meron akong starter workbook. So, I will show you a glimpse of that. Ito, ginawa ko talaga to. Yan. All throughout the years, ginawa ko siya para siyang compilation ng mga kailangan nyo. So, free yan. Bibigay ko na sa inyo ng libre. Andyan yung mga kailangan nyo, yung resume template, paano gumawa ng resume, paano magsulat ng welcome email sa client, application letter, nandyan na lahat. So, this will be free on this course. And syempre, aside from that, yung course natin is self-paced. So, good talaga siya sa mga katulad nating mom, 'di ba, na hindi natin alam kung ano oras tayo available eh. Pwedeng mamaya available tayo, gabi, ganun, 'di ba? So, you can finish the course at your own pace, at your own time. Who this is for? So, is this course right for you? Syempre, if you are a mom wanting more time at home, or side hustlers ka, gusto mong extra income, 'di ba? Or career changer, gusto mong mag-change ng career. gusto mo mas flexible ka sa time, gano'n, ayaw mo na mag-commute. And syempre, action taker, ready ka mag-break free and design your own freedom. If this sounds like you, definitely this course is for you. So, in relation to that, I am inviting you to enroll. So, I will be pasting the link of the enrollment link if you're interested to enroll and start your journey today. And of course, since launch natin, today I prepared. Siyempre, nag-prepare ako ng mga special bonuses para sa inyo. And these are the bonuses. Okay, special bonuses. So, early bird. The first 3 people who registered and the first 3 people who joined the webinar will get free access to the full course. Absolutely no charge. Okay, so tatlo yan. So, early registration and early sa webinar. I will give you the free, I will show you later kung sino-sino yung 6 na yon. And then the next promo that I have is a limited discount. So, kung talagang na-realize nyo ready na kayo, you can sign up until May 3. I will just offer you 499 pesos only for the course. This course is valued at 1,999. So, this is really the total value of that. Even if you check with others, mas mahal pa dito yung ino-offer nilang course. Pero, sa akin kasi, hindi naman importante sa akin yung amount. So, at least I was able to help people, diba? Start. So, instead of 1,999, I am just offering it for 999. So, for those na hindi pa makapag-isip, diba? Until May 3. So, after May 3, you will get the course for just 999. So, again, if you sign up until May 3, you will get it for 499. After May 3, it's 999. And let me take a look if I can paste the enrollment link here in the chat box later. Okay. And syempre, di ba, dahil dun sa, kunyari, talagang nag-iisip pa kayo, di pa kayo makapag-isip. As a way of my gratitude to all the attendees that I have today, I will give you still, syempre, your prizes. So, I will give you a free VA Basic Toolkit na magagamit nyo rin when you start your career as a virtual assistant. So, hindi siya kagaya ng toolkit na makukuha when you sign up the course, but the basic tools are there also. So, just the basics that you need. So, I will be giving it to you for free, all of you that attended today. Even on the Facebook Live, you can also get this. So, all you need to do is just send a message either on our email, vablueprint2025@gmail.com, or send a message on our Facebook group. And then I will give you the free VA Basic Toolkit for all the attendees today. Siyempre, lahat dapat mayroon, diba? Kasi, I'm really happy na marami talagang gustong maging virtual assistant. So, I am pasting here the link if you want to enroll sa course sa chat box. Okay. And so, there. I hope I was able to enlighten you and give you context on how virtual assistant journey is, and also share my story as a virtual assistant. It really changed my life. Life-changing siya. So, siguro on the next webinar that I will conduct, I'm gonna show you really, how our life changed. Starting from dati na nag-start pa lang ako, na ngayon na kung ano na yung mga na-invest namin dahil sa kita namin or sa income namin sa pag-virtual assistants. So, gusto ko, hindi lang ako yung maka-experience noon. Kasi talagang life-changing siya for me. And I wanna have my fellow women like you, especially the moms, working moms, na nahihirapang mamili talaga. Magtatrabaho ba ako o magpo-full-time mom ako? 'Di ba? Ang hirap kayang mamili. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, kailangan may income both the husband and wife. So, I really feel all of you. Kaya, talagang I established and founded this. And this is the way that I can share my experience and my knowledge and skills para sa inyo na gustong maging virtual assistant. And maging successful din. Like me and my husband. Yes po, ang husband ko, working from home din siya. Dati ayaw niya. Pero ngayon, ayaw niya na pong mag-office. So, a brief background. Yung first client ko noon na na-mention ko na $2 or $3 kung kinuha, they are still our client right now. So, almost 8 years, 7 years, 8 years. So, sila din yung kumuha sa husband ko. They hired him in the IT side. And then ngayon, ayan, nag-e-excel na rin yung husband ko. Meron na rin siyang additional clients niya. I think he has 3 or 4 clients ngayon. So, ayun, very blessed talaga kami nung nag-start kami na mag-virtual assistant. And sana, I do hope na next time na magkakausap tayo, mag-share na rin kayo ng stories nyo sa akin na, hey, Menshi, ganito, ganyan, like Cess and Kim. Okay, so sa mga questions, before I go to our questions, I would just like to share with you our other social media accounts. So we have our Facebook page, the VA Blueprint. We also have our Facebook group, Virtually Empowered Women. And also, let me see. We also have, so here it is. You can see it. Yan. Ito po yung page namin.